heartily welcome to the Math Simplified by HM channel. I am thrilled to have you all here for today's session, Arithmetic Progression Masterclass, the blueprint of mathematical patterns. Before we dive into the engine and anchor of these patterns, please like and share this video with your well-wishers, colleagues and friends. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with our simplified math series. Now grab a notebook, pause the video as needed, and let's get started. Now, if you look at the board, you will see that mathematics is woven with beautiful, predictable patterns. Just like every house has an address in a sequence, every number has a specific home or position. We labeled them as T1, T2, T3. Thus, in sequence, every number has a specific address, that is T1, T2, T3. If the numbers are written as T1, T2, T3, then T1 is the first position, T2 is the second position, and Tn is the nth place. Spotting the blueprint, what makes an AP? We have seen in previous video types of progression. Again here we will recall them. Arithmetic progression, there are specific steps in arithmetic progression, either addition, subtraction. And in random or geometric sequence, there is no such pattern. For example, here 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 16 square is a definite pattern, but the difference between two consecutive terms is not same. We have seen the definition of arithmetic progression, and now we will summarize it. An arithmetic progression requires a constant jump between consecutive terms. The core variables A and D of arithmetic progression. A, the first term. It is called also the anchor, where the pattern is born or from where the progression starts. And D, common difference. This is also called as the engine of the arithmetic progression or motor of the arithmetic progression. The constant step. Here minus 7 is the first term and plus 3 is a constant step or difference. So minus 7 plus 3 minus 4, minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, minus 1 plus 3 2, and so on. In second example, there is a first term 100 and difference is minus 30. So 100 minus 30 gives 70, 70 minus 30 gives 40, 40 minus 30 gives 10, 10 minus 30 will give minus 20, and so on. Another example, a series of only 4, 4, 4, there is a difference of 0 only. So D can be positive, negative, or 0. That means Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to D. The computation wall. Now see the sequence 5, 8, 11, 14, and we have to find the 100 term. For reaching the 100 term manually is a time consuming. Brute force does not scale because T1 is equal to 5, Tt is equal to 8, T3 is equal to 11, T4 is equal to 14, and to find the 100 we have to go adding 3 again and again. So this is not a good practice. So we must find a smart formula for finding the 100th term or nth term. Now unlocking the pattern. T1 is the first term, that is A. T2 is the first term plus 1 times difference, 2 minus 1. T3 is equal to A plus 2 times difference, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. T4 is equal to A plus 3 times D. Again 4 minus 1 is gives 3. The number of steps D taken is always exactly 1 less than the destination term n. So we get the formula for nth term Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into D. Now we will remember this formula in simplest way. Tn target term, the destination. A start or the anchor. N minus 1 steps taken always 1 less than the target, and D step size common difference. We also call this as the engine or motor. Therefore target term is equal to start plus steps taken into step size. Application and mastery. Now find the 100th term of the AP 5, 8, 11, 14. Now we will find the first term, the difference, and the nth term. Here first term in AP is 5. The difference between two consecutive terms is 3. 8 minus 5, 3. 11 minus 8, 3. 14 minus 11, 3. So difference is 3. And we have to find nth term, that is 100th term. So step 1, P100 is equal to 5 plus in bracket 100 minus 1 bracket complete into 3. Simplifying, we get P100 is equal to 5 plus in bracket 99 into 3. Simplifying, we get T100 is equal to 5 plus 297. Finally, T100 is equal to 302. As we bring today's lesson to close, recap our master blueprint. We have moved from manually counting steps to unlocking the powerful formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Whether you are finding the fourth term or the 100th, this formula is your shortcut to mastery. Remember the common difference, D is the engine that keeps the pattern moving, and it can be positive, negative, or even zero. I hope this session made arithmetic progression feel a lot simpler. If I did, please like, share this video, and make sure you are subscribed with the bell icon turned on. Enjoy the great time practicing these patterns, and always remember, our life is a sequence. Make sure every term you add is better than the last one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session.